Happy Tuesday, class. We are going to quickly review the words we reviewed yesterday. Our base words are our present tense verbs, irregular verbs. All right, the first one is by. What silent letter do we have in the middle of by? Good, we have a silent U, so write and mark by. All right, this is what your by should look like. All right, the next word is bring. Write and mark bring. All right, this is what your bring should look like. All right, the next word is think. But remember, it's a two-way word. To spell it correctly, we have to say think. Think. All right, and which k do we use at the end of think? Think. Good, we use line letter k, so write and mark your think. All right, this is what your think should look like. All right, the next word is lead. Which E do we use in lead? Good, we use E-A. So write lead and mark it. All right, this is what your lead should look like. Our last word is speak. Which E do we use in speak? Good, we use E-A. And which K do we use? Good, line letter K, write and mark speak. All right, so these are the words that we reviewed yesterday. Yesterday we practiced putting them or writing their past tense, which since they're irregular, we had to do new words instead of just adding edit. But today we are going to be reviewing making these into the present participle form. So that means we add ing at the end. But we can't just add ing, we have to put a helping verb in front of it. All right, so for by, the present participle is buying. Is buying. Okay. So go ahead and write that and mark it, and then you can check and see if you did it correct. All right, so this is what your is buying would look like. The present participle of bring is bringing. So go ahead and write that on your practice paper. Is bringing. All right, this is bringing. Remember, we need both of these letters to make that ng sound, and ing always gets its own syllable. All right, go ahead and write is thinking. Is thinking. All right, this is what our is thinking should look like. All right, so our present participle for the next one for lead is leading. Write that. And then for speak, it's is speaking. So these two, see the pattern, we're just adding ing, it gets its own syllable. So these two, I'm going to have you do it on your own. After you have finished that class, I want you to write, these are irregular verbs, so we're on page 19 in our orthography notebook. We're going to write our present tense words on the side, buy, bring, think, lead, and speak. All right, then we're going to write the present participle. So, is buying, is bringing, is thinking. And then I want you to also write the past tense that we learned yesterday. Remember, it's bought, brought, thought, led, and spoke. Okay. So go ahead and add these words to your orthography notebook. After you've done that, I'm going to give you 2 sentences. So you can go ahead and pause the video to finish writing the words. All right, your first sentence is he buying cat food? Is he buying cat food? All right, pause the video if you need to write that sentence. All right, your next sentence is, she brought the dog to me. She brought the dog to me. All right, nice work, class, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.